we're going to be throwing this, with this, and with this. So stay tuned and see what happens. Today we're going to be doing a review and a PC build all in one. So, what we're reviewing, we are reviewing the Game Max power supply. It's going to be followed by our sponsors, Game Max. Game Max is going to be the sponsor for this video. If you guys ever want to pick up a power supply after watching this video from these guys, go ahead and click that link in the description below. Right here in the flesh. But we're also going to be tossing it with a MSI 370Z. Hopefully I said that right. Ah, I was right. On the first try. Alright, and then following that is going to be a Intel iCore 3 9th gen unlocked. So we could overclock this thing if we want to. So let's go ahead and get to it and stay tuned. Right off the bat, we can tell the Game Max's power supply unit box is a lot bigger than compared to a thermal take. Right? Here's the thermal take, and here is the Game Max. Now, let me get a EVGA power supply box out. Here we go. Here's the Game Max box right here of the power supply, 800 bronze power supply, and then here's the EVGA 750 gold rated power supply, fully modular. The Game Max is semi-modular. So, let's go ahead and get a close-up of that thing. There you are. Oh yeah. You see, there they are. It's right there. Oh yeah. It's like a... It's like a few, like 4, nope. Like about an inch. Look how fucking thick this damn box is. Jeez, okay. I wonder what's in there. Let's go ahead and find out. Okay, well, there she is. Right here. Cool, nice little looking, you can't see it, but this camera can. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. It has the little lion on it. Oh, cool. Look, there it is. It has the line. So, alright. Okay. I like it. Some black cables. Disgusting right here. They include 2 zip ties and power supply bolts. Game Max warranty card. Then I have to flip it upside down apparently. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Get giveaways and offer more. I kind of like how EVGA has the box, like a legit box for this. Thermal take, I don't know. I haven't opened the thermal take one yet, so I guess we'll find out. Modular output, which is your static cables, power cables, and all that. Then they included 2 zip ties and 4 bolts to attach the power supply. Wow, this thing is heavy. Wow. Really in there? Oh, there you are. What's this? Oh my god, they included a manual! Look at that manual, they included a manual. We're never gonna use a manual. So far, not gonna lie, so far it's looking pretty good so far. I'm not gonna lie on that. So let's go ahead and start installation on the CPU, the RAM, the motherboard. Let's get this build on the way. So I decided to go with this build with a MSI Z370A Pro for this build. And I also decided to go with an Intel iCore 9 with some Vengeance 16 gigs at 3000 megahertz. Now, if you guys ever want to get your hands onto doing this type of build, everything is going to be in the description below. So let's go ahead and start doing this time-lapse build.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always get a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up,
choppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks.
Try your luck and take a chance. Live for the risks in this moment. Take my hand and break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around. Take me down, you won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down, you won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. Never be a We barely know you hurt, I grow, I rock, you roll, we steal the show. I lock, you low.
Here we are. Let's turn this bad boy around. Forget the room. Forgive the room, it's a mess. But, okay, so we have the Game Max power supply right here connected. We have it connected to there, to the fans. We have the motherboard in. We have all those little itty bitty connectors in. We have the USB 3 connected. So I was thinking about USB and forgive the mess. It's a huge mess because I've been trying to plan. Forget it. Okay, so this is Intel. We're going to be doing an Intel build right now. So, what's this? A gigabyte. Here you are. EVGA 760 overclock series. Let's go ahead and stick this beauty inside the card. Inside of that thing over there. And that's a Red Devil, by the way. And there she is. The 2060 right there. Okay, so we're gonna use the EVGA 760. Alright guys, well there she is. The Windows is there she is. Blah, 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 blah. She's right there. Windows installed, everything's good to go. The GPU is a 2 gig EVGA 760, and then we have an Intel iCore 3, and I got that used. The RAM is 3000 megahertz at 16 gigs.